Robb says this weekend could end up having a little bit of rain that you need to know about.
Yes, yeah. Saturday is going to be an interesting deal, though tonight, for people that are headed out for Valentine's Day, A-OK, right?
I do sound a little bit like a Debbie Downer, but I'm a realistic Robb. That's what I like to call it. I'm a realistic Robb. Yes.
I like that.
Sounds negative, Robb.
It does sound negative. I was going to say that, but I didn't want to.
Still sounds negative.
I said the phrase earlier that I think after tomorrow's temperatures in the 40s, I was saying this before even the newscast, we may not get back above freezing, not just for the rest of the 7-day, but until March.
I feel like you don't have to say things like that.
I know. Again,
like maybe just skip that part.
I'm just in sales, not production. Let's go to the map here and show you what we're looking at, because there are some snow showers that are coming down, at least according to when you look at this on satellite, but a lot of this isn't reaching the ground. There's some dry air that's in place, so this may be falling and the radar is picking it up, but I've looked and I have not seen any observations until you go all the way to St. Louis when this moved through, before you see those observations where it was actually falling, and it was falling as a little bit of rain snow mix. So let me take you through what is really going to be a very interesting 24 hours or so as some warmer air tries to move in. This will initially fall as a few snow flurries or snow showers overnight tonight, but it's really after midnight where things begin to get a little bit more interesting, with some moisture moving in to some relatively dry and marginally cold air, meaning that there is going to be a little period sometime between about midnight and say 6 a.m. where some of this may fall as some freezing rain. Now, if that rain is relatively light, not terribly heavy, it may continue to cool the atmosphere down, and we could get as much as maybe 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain. After that, though, temperatures are expected to warm up. Saturday, there may be parts of Indiana that get into the 50s in the southern half of the state. I think we'll make it into the mid-40s for Indianapolis. That will mean that heavy rain is going to be possible for parts of the state. Now, south of Indy, the main part of the rain will fall sometime earlier in the day, but after about 5 o'clock, I think we'll see those scattered showers north of Indianapolis and then some snow in the northern part of the state. By Sunday, we're watching that colder air move in with that snowfall possible for your Sunday, but I think this is going to be light, less than 1 inch for most of you. There may be a couple of spots that pick up more than that. Look at the lows the next 7 days. Yes, there is one that stands out. That is tomorrow, where the temperatures may stay near freezing, but after that, it is certainly going to be cold. Now, those are not record-breaking lows. The high temperatures are going to be cold as well, but they are prolonged cold temperatures, and it looks like while we do warm up a bit for Friday, 24, it looks like it's going to stay cold even after the 7-day forecast. Sorry to tell you, folks. We'll have more when we come back.